Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Tech Zone. Today, we are diving into a game changer for electric vehicle owners, a new portable solar charger that lets you recharge your EV anywhere, anytime. So, let's start. GoSun, a company pioneering portable solar solutions, has unveiled its groundbreaking solar EV charger. The electric vehicle revolution is upon us, but range anxiety, the fear of running out of battery before reaching a charging station, remains a significant hurdle for many potential EV owners. Now, this cutting edge technology will allow drivers to harness the power of the sun and charge their EVs on the go, reducing reliance on the traditional charging infrastructure. GoSun Solar EV Charger addresses this need with a practical and portable solution for EV owners. GoSun Solar EV Charger stands out with its innovative feature. It includes high-efficiency, lightweight solar panels that convert sunlight into electricity. These panels provide a reliable power source for charging EVs. This feature makes it perfect for those wanting to reduce their carbon footprint. These features include drive up to 30 miles per day on solar, easy to install on all roof racks, charge anywhere with 1200 watts, lightweight, it weighs only 32 kg, durable design for the elements. This charger can be installed on any roof rack, making it easy to charge EVs or hybrids at home, the office, the remote locations like in jungle or job sites. Its compact design allows for easy use. Just park your EV in the sun, unfold the solar panels, plug them in, and let the solar power charge your vehicle. The solar EV charger is very durable. It's made from high quality materials to withstand all weather conditions. The panels fold into a secure all-weather car top case, ensuring long-lasting use. GoSun CEO Patrick Sherwin emphasized the significance of its product, stating, "Our EV solar charger is another example of GoSun's dedication to developing breakthrough solar solutions and pushing for a brighter future. It is empowering to make your own fuel every day simple by capturing the sunlight that falls on your vehicle footprint." Now, addressing the EV market hesitation, the solar EV charger is launching at a crucial time. Interest in buying electric vehicles in the US has declined. GoSun's solar EV charger addressing potential EV buyer concerns about running out of the battery. GoSun solar EV charger will remain how EV owners charge their vehicle. It lets them use clean energy and helping apartment residents without personal garage. It's also great for vans, work trucks, and campers who want off-grid independence. With more US states planning to ban gas-powered cars, products like the solar EV charger will be more important. This portable solar station offers a practical solution now and supports a cleaner, greener future. So that's all from today. Please comment us, like us, and share this video if you like it. Thank you very much.